Hi, this is Checkerboard. If you don't like connector corners or folded corners, you're going to get used to doing them. This is a great practice block for it, and I think you're going to wind up liking them more than you think. This one is made entirely with 9 square and a square units. You can arrange them that they have a pattern, or you can just do them random. You could have all pink, all green, all blue. Have at it, have fun. You could even do like a little tic-tac-toe board. Anyways, this is Checkerboard. Your units, this is one of those where you're going to be pressing your seams open. You've got so many points coming together that it's just going to lay a little bit better. The other thing I want to talk about with folded corners, connector corners, it is one of those units that you can be going along and do them great. They're great, they're perfect, everything matches up. And then you're going to have a couple where, yeah, no, not so much. You've done everything right, you've done them exactly the way you did them before, but they get a little off. As long as you've got a 1/4 inch seam allowance, or you can at least have a line that you can stitch, it's going to work. You can square them up a little bit. Unless you're cutting these oversized, it's really hard to trim too much without changing the size of the block. This is also one that when you're pressing that triangle away from the center, be careful not to be too aggressive. I know, because I tend to do that. I will use the edge of the iron, I'll flip the corner up and use the edge of the iron to push it over, and I press with steam. So I am distortion in the making. It's easy to do. This is one where, yes, press, not iron. Steam may not be your best friend, and try not to be super pushy about it. Also remember, for these blocks, especially the smaller ones, you're going to be sewing a frame around it, so if it's not completely 100% perfect, you're going to be able to adjust for that later. And truthfully, through the magic of Photoshop, you can't see my blocks aren't perfect. So this is Checkerboard. Have fun.